This is car 2, the rear elevator at 25 West Bryan Avenue, the YWCA of Youngstown in downtown Youngstown, Ohio. And this one is a lot more interesting. This one, I don't know if it's original to the building, but it is an old Otis from probably the 1950s. Bakelite black ones, it's an original. Basement of, I don't think it is down area in my yeah. Alright, we'll go up to 5. Here we go up. Basically, we'll confirm to that one's like totally replaced the newer one. This thing's very sketch. Just as how I like it. Ooh, oh yeah. Here are 5, 3-speed door. Janky doors. 8500. I think there's like a desk or something on one, so we're gonna go back here too. It's a basic Otis cab. It's just like HUD housing, so I guess it's like government housing. It's like 1,600 pounds. That was not me balancing the camera. The elevator really cost that. Wow. So that's what we did.